Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies without butter. The key is understanding how different fats behave. Butter provides flavor and structure, but many common pantry items can step in. We'll explore substitutes like oils, shortening, and even fruit purees, each offering unique textures. You'll learn how to adjust your favorite recipe to achieve perfect, chewy, or crispy cookies every time. Vegetable oil is a fantastic and readily available butter substitute, often resulting in a chewier cookie. When swapping, use 3/4 the amount of oil for every 1 cup of butter called for in your recipe. For example, if a recipe calls for 1 cup of butter, use 3/4 cup of oil. To add back some richness and moisture, consider adding 1 extra egg yolk to your dough. This helps maintain a desirable texture and flavor. Beyond oils, other substitutes offer unique cookie characteristics. Mashed avocado, for instance, can add healthy fats and moisture, making your cookies soft. Applesauce is another option, often creating a softer, more cake-like texture, but remember to use unsweetened varieties and potentially reduce other sugars. For a crispier, flakier cookie that holds its shape well, shortening is an excellent one-to-one replacement for butter. For the best butter-free chocolate chip cookies, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes can significantly enhance their flavor and texture. When it's time to bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Remember, baking without butter is all about experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different substitutes to find your perfect cookie texture and flavor. For more great deals, and to check out the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a truly effortless clean, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy baking, and enjoy your delicious, butter-free chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.